Hey everybody, it's just another Saturday doing an open house here in Northeast Cape Coral. This is a new build. It's not our listing, but I volunteered to hold the open house today. 4 bedroom, 3 bath, just over 2,000 square feet on a freshwater canal. Really nice location around a lot of shops and restaurants and a lot of fun activities here in this area at Cape Coral. So hope you guys enjoy the video tour, and don't forget to reach out to Sherry if you have questions. Hope you guys have a nice weekend.